boards and a grin for the room. We've been waiting here, staring down the sand, with a cold cup of nerve and a steady right hand. He said, lock in, boys, hey, hold your line. We ain't blinking now, not this time. Future's on fire, hey, the night feels mean, but we know how to move in the in-between. Get locked in, get ready to ride. The gang's on the rail and we're rolling inside. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts and stack it high. One road, one purpose, we survive. Outlaws together, we get paid tonight. Come on, outlaws, hear that call. Dust on the boots, no fear at all. We're all in this for the long, hard run. Same rough work, same rising sun. Stay tuned, he's coming through. That trading cowboy's got work to do. He'll roll in fast, take the wheel, then we ride those charts like a steel horse steel. Get locked in, get ready to ride. The gang's on the rail and we're rolling inside. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts and stack it high. One road, one purpose, we survive. Outlaws together, we get paid tonight. If the wind cuts hard and the numbers shake, we hold our ground, we don't break. Side by side when the pressure climbs, same old code, same outlaw minds. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts and stack it high. One road, one purpose, we survive. Outlaws together, we get paid tonight. The trading cowboy is riding in soon. Boots on the boards and a grin for the room. We've been waiting here, staring down the sand, with a cold cup of nerve and a steady right hand. He said, lock in, boys, hey, hold your line. We ain't blinking now, not this time. Future's on fire, hey, the night feels mean, but we know how to move in the in-between. Get locked in, get ready to ride. The gang's on the rail and we're rolling inside. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts and stack it high. One road, one purpose, we survive. Outlaws together, we get paid tonight. Come on, outlaws, hear that call. Dust on the boots, no steel horse steel. Get locked in, get ready to ride. The gang's on the rail and we're rolling inside. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts and stack it high. One road, one purpose, we survive. Outlaws together, we get paid tonight.
Good morning, Outlaws. TC in the house. Welcome to the tack room. Crazy start. Are we gonna hit 30,000? Come on. Real quick, just a quick shout out to honor all the men and women, brave men and women that gave everything for our freedom. On this day, we celebrate y'all. You're never forgotten for your sacrifice and courage. The legacy of those that served our country with honor. So thank y'all. Freedom's not free. Guitar guy, let's make some money. Good morning, Big Nick. Did you short it at 940? I've been thinking about that all night, Nick. Let's see if we get any volume at all. You think they're waiting for the market open to get to that 30K? Crazy, crazy.
Only one man rides it, the trading cowboy.
Come on, outlaws, hear that call. Dust on the boots, no fear at all.
Let's see what they give us this morning. Let's see. See if we have any volume.
Same rough work, same rising sun. Stay tuned, he's coming through. That trading cowboy's got work to do. He'll roll in fast, take the wheel, then we ride those charts like a steel horse steel.
Heck yeah, guitar guy. Yeah, keep those micros and keep them small too, huh? That may be all we do today is little micros. We'll see. We'll see if we get any action right now. That's the only thing I'm kind of looking at. Maybe we'll get some movement. Right here to Nick's 940. Open in a minute and a half. Let's see if we get anything at all. Anybody getting ready to cook out? Anybody getting ready to celebrate our brave men and women that sacrificed for us so we could have freedom? Got a pivot point down there at 880. That's kind of the only thing we have way up here, guys. Trading 5 micros, risking $200 to make 405. This account is sitting at 52,199. We're following you. We're watching you. There's open, teeny tiny little push up. May not be a volume day at all, which we kind of knew, right? We kind of knew that, right, chat? Small size today. Right back under VWAP. Yeah, guitar guy. I mean, I kind of like you're getting that close. I kind of like, you know, maybe the 2 to 3 micros, and then you can average into it once kind of deal. You know, if you get down 10 points or something, 15 points, but if you have some good support lines there. Noro, what's up, my friend? How was your weekend? Yeah, just no volume, guys. Looks like Asia session. Maybe a short day. Maybe a short day, chat. Mad Moxie, good morning. Good to see you here. Akash, my friend. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see if they have anything at all right here. I don't know. Going to be some low volume, I think. So was hoping we could kind of see the market push through 30,000. Be a nice little treat. What's everybody's plans after market close? Anybody cooking out?
Ain't chasing tickers like a rodeo clown. I mark my level, then I stand my ground. Plan a trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hands. Oh yeah, discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday. Him I get NASDAQ.
Trying to give a little push.
From a honky-tonk discipline. Buddy's on the phone, man, it's running hopping. I just sip slow, let the chart breathe again. Tiny little edge like a nail in a fence. Hold it every
There's no
single
volume.
day.
Yeah,
That's
no
what
volume.
makes a ranch. I ain't that cowboy with the last second bet. I'm stacking small wins like a farmer's shit. Plan the trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hand. Sing it out. Discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk comes first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday. Him I get NASDAQ level results. From a honky-tonk discipline.
All right, there's a little push to the 200 EMA.
Some folks pray for luck. I pray to keep my rules. Lord, save me from that FOMO and them late night fools. My edge ain't a secret, it's how I walk each day. Hard like a preacher, hands like a Texas day trade. Plan a trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hand. Discipline's the only thrill I trust. That's all. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my
process. My profits in the proof. Little cowboy of the NASDAQ, singing risk and truth.
Trying to get a little push right here. Can't hold the 200. No wick on the bottom of that 1 minute candle. Trying to put a wick on it. Lewis, happy bank holiday. Happy Memorial Day to everybody in the U.S. too. Celebrating all the men and women that gave their life for our freedom. It's not free, guys. Thank y'all. Not a lot of volume. Are we gonna be able to pump up to that 30,000? Is that what we're trying to do? Oh yeah, I bet. I mean, shoot, Scotty, diesel over here is still $5 a gallon. $4.89 here in town. It's come down a little bit. Does that air conditioner use a lot of, like if it's a good hot day, does that air conditioner use a lot of battery? Because doesn't it just come on like to keep everything cool too, like all your electronics cool and stuff? I'd like to have one of the Cybertrucks so I could plug my welder into it. $8.10. That's awesome. That's insane. Got that push up to 970, kind of rejected right there. I don't know. I don't see a lot of action right now. The winter takes longer. So much. Cool. Well, and the cold really doesn't affect the battery a whole lot, right? I mean, some of the guys I talked to, you know, said maybe 20 miles, 30 miles is what it affects it in the winter time as far as the distance. That's pretty cool. All right, it's getting that push up now. Maybe it's just going to slowly creep up there. 380, I'd say maybe 15 to 20 less. So nothing. Yeah, that's crazy. It's super cool. Yeah, my wife drives every morning about, I don't know, 40 miles, I guess, one way. A Tesla would be super handy for her. Super handy. Oh yeah, my brother and stuff works for the electric company up here, and they drive all. You know, everybody here drives diesel pickups. So there's a lot of Teslas here, but usually not around the farming area and stuff. So that's another reason I like to have one, just because my brother says, "Why would you want a Tesla?" Which now I think everybody here would like to have one, just for the fuel prices. Have you put your charts on the screen yet? I've seen some people putting their charts up on the screen so they can see it while they drive. That's a reason to have one right there.
Coffee covering on a legal path. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Ticker rolling like a freight train past, but I'm just watching, giving it time. Calm mind, fast market, and that's the deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic, just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting.
Whenever I'm at the charging at the rest stop, I'll throw in some charge. That's cool. In my last truck, I had they converted the whole dash to a big iPad, so I could pull the charts up on it and watch. I really enjoyed that. You can control everything off of it, the tuner, air, and all that off of it.
Heart on fire with every little tick. Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch swing. Let the fear
I did enjoy that.
let the noise run thin. Calm hands on the mouse now, just a plan and a time of day. If it comes around. If it don't, I still walk away. Detached from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain.
Yeah, gosh, it is. It's Memorial Day here. Low volume, closing early. I had to think the Model Y performance is faster 0 to 60 than the 911. Yeah, that's a lot. I think that's what makes a lot of people mad, right? But those electric motors are instant torque, so instant torque.
Detached from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than in trees, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself.
We're gonna get 30,000. We need to do it right now. Nice Memorial Day celebration.
through the highs, but
Little hesitation at the 980s.
take me higher. I'm staring down the bears today. Beat these bears, push those candles, get up there. Hey, come on AQ, giddy up. Let's ride it all the way to the top. Giddy up, giddy up.
Guitar time. Might as well close the charts and go on about my day and come back tomorrow. Yeah.
Sun's going down on the candles I wrote.
I mean, it's not a for sure right now today.
Some green runs, some lessons paid. Every tick wrote the moves I made. Had a runner that flew, had one that slipped. Got a little too heavy, had it one too quick. But I ain't done, now I'm still in the fight. Close the books, take a breath tonight.
Miguel, the biggest, the largest.
It'll humble you fast, leave a scar. But every loss got a lesson inside.
Scotty, what are most of the cars where you are? I visited Canada.
Cowboys log, write it down in truth. Wins and the losses, yeah, they all leave proof.
I mean, Jeep Wranglers and Broncos are pretty popular here. I mean, the majority of everything here is pickup. So, being in the, you know, cattle and agriculture, the big thing here, you know, is 2500s and F250s. That's super big here. You know, all the wives drive the bigger SUVs, the Expeditions and the Suburbans, and my wife drives a Bronco, the full-size Bronco. I was born in the wrong. Yeah, I mean, and that's just what it is here. I mean, there's not, you know, all the high school kids drive, you know, F-150s, older Chevy square bodies and stuff like that. That's all popular here. The 7.3 diesels and stuff. So. This is really one of the number one areas for pickups for sure. You only saw one small car in Canada, yeah. And that's kind of it just kind of progresses here, right? You like the business people and the farmers and the ranchers and all that have big trucks here. So then the wives want a big vehicle too, because they're driving against all those bigger vehicles. So it gets a little intimidating in a smaller car. Driving obsession, brave man trading today. I'm sitting out. You know, we wanted to just hop on here and see what was going to happen. You know, also wanted to just jump in and, you know, thank all the brave men and women that sacrificed for us today too. So just kind of seeing if we can go up there and hit that 30,000. I don't know. They may yank it right back, especially when whoever's on here today is rooting for that 30,000. That may be a good opportunity to make a nice pullback. But I figured if it was going to happen, it's going to happen today. And I didn't know who was going to be on here, so I thought maybe we get to meet some new people. Big Scotty, we watched you all the way to the end on the Tradeify too.
We are gathered here, my friends, to lay one dream to rest. A shiny screen, a wild idea. I tried to do my best. Click that buy, then clicked it twice. Thought I'd ride it to the sky, but that margin call came knocking, tipped its hat and said goodbye. So raise
Yeah, man, so close. We watched it to the end, that's for sure. There was a lot of people that did though. I went back and kind of looked at some of the charts, and you could see a lot of people that were giving it all they had. And you could even see some of the people that were already in that was just a little worried, and they lost just because they were trying to make a little bit more and move down out of it or something. So. Yeah, so close. I think I got up like 4,200 the first night, and then blew it the second day, or the actual first full day, the first U.S. Open day. As soon as New York opened, it was downhill from there.
May your losses rest in peace. May your lessons stick around. Tip your hat to every charge before you lay that money down. Yeah, raise your glass for my blown up futures account. We bounce back.
I think so. I mean, I didn't even think about it, honestly. It'd be crazy to see what they could do if you could play more than one mini though. Yeah. Yeah, it was. And then I don't know if did you ever go back and look at some of the stats? Some of them were pretty impressive, but like a lot of those people up there were like 30-40% win rate. But yeah, they had like a 30-40%. I think it was second place maybe. I was really impressed with it. They had like a 98% win rate.
Sun's going down on the candles I wrote. Chalk still burning from the paths I chose. Some green runs, some lessons paid.
Yeah, I agree with the no second chances. One of them they had it a year or so ago. You had different chances, but it was listed on your deal too, and so that went how you replaced also. But yeah, I don't think you need any second chances. But that's probably where they make a little bit more of their money, though. I mean, think about it. You're paying $30 not to even have a chance at getting funded or anything. So that's a pretty good deal for them. That may be what Credivate charges just for the account, though. I don't know.
Chased one late and paid too much. Felt that pressure creeping in close, trying to force trades just to hit that goal. But I see it now, gotta slow that pace. Discipline's the edge in this race I chase.
It'll be interesting to see how all the next week or so goes with it. So. All right, here we are coming up back on the high of the day. Can we push through that 30K right here live? Or is it going to reject all the way back down? $29,990. We got that push. live right here for Memorial Day. All-time highs.
This is a Cowboy's log, end of the day. Truth in the numbers, no running away. Mindset, reset, get ready to ride. Leave that ego off to the side.
Come on, let's get that break.
Another chance to see, becoming the trader you said you'd be. From the saddle to the screen, we grind sharp.
Gotta be a bull flag right here, guys. Gotta be a bull flag right here. We're cooked. How did our volume do right there? About 200, just a little under 300 volume per candle. No volume. Just looking for NQ to pass 30,000. What a time to be alive. What a time to be alive, chat. We need a bull flag. It wants that 30,000 chat. Come on. 30K. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Who wants it? Who wants it? Ride that thing. Fish, what's up? Good morning, man. Good morning. Can we get 30,000? Can we get it, chat? They're edging this, chat. They're edging us.
Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I settle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves.
Getting a lot of selling pressure right here. We're trying to sell off that high. They just don't want it to push through there. Come on, NQ. Trying again, trying again. Come on.
Red, green, flickering fire, candles dancing in a row. I've been studying this storm all night, just waiting for it to blow. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all.
They're strong right there. They're strong. Are we stronger? Can we push through the 30K? Come on. Let's make some history right here on Memorial Day. Still just a little under 300 per candle, a little over 300 in volume on a couple of them, but let's see it push through there. Let's see it now.
Got my head tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes, a little heat in my cheeks.
Delay, good morning. Yeah, man, I'd like to see it push through that 30,000 right here live while we're here. They're strong right there under the 95s though. They do not want it to push through for some reason. I think we just need just a little pullback maybe. We'll see. Get a little pullback and a nice push right through there. Shorted at 987. I think that's a smart move, Akash. I think that's a smart move. I mean, everything's pointing to the downside right now. Why couldn't it, if it happened on a normal day, Nick, I think we would have got that push down, but when they hit it last night, it just kept going.
Turn that fin to trust when that trend line bends and the sky turns blue. I'm a cold rig cowboy riding straight on through. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride. You know what I mean. Kick that open wide screen salute.
Yeah, I mean, Akash, I mean, everything's curling down. So. Yeah, I did last night. It just kept going up last night. Gosh, this will be my only trade for the day. Me too, maybe. Me too. Definitely getting that curl back down right now. Let's see how far it has to go.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those candles, yeah, shove them down. Come on and cue, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that V-wop, show them how we got them. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, 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 down. Come on down, 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 come on down. Yeah. Red bar, stack it on the last. Every little tick, dropping kind of fast. Fade that bounce, kill that whole
There's a push right back down to my entry.
rush, send it through the ground. Come on and cue, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that V-wop, show 'em how we got 'em. Take me low, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, come on down, 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 down. Come on down, 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 come on down, 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 come on down, 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 down. Come on down, 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 come on down, down.
Akash, it's right there, Akash.
Coffee cup ring on a legal pad. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Tickers rolling like a freight train past. But I'm just watching.
Oh, yeah, Nick, it's crazy. The Open yesterday was kind of crazy. I didn't get to watch Open, but I logged in probably, I don't know, 20 minutes after or something.
What I came here to do, detach from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than
But you know, Friday's close was like 5:30s. We opened at 676, 140 points up, and then we instantly pushed up like another 100 points.
master the NQ.
So after the first minute, we were up over 200 points from Friday's close.
To white knuckle every red line. Heart on fire with every little tick. Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch swing. Let the fear fade slow. Let the noise run thin. Calm hands on the mouse now. Just a plan and a time of day. If it comes around. If it don't,
I'll have to break it. I think you're fixing to get that push down. Forming a little bear flag right now.
focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come.
Just trying to hold it to see if this is going to be the push up.
Trees like waiting on a
See if we got that little pullback.
The chart is neutral. The trader must be too. Master yourself. Then master the NQ.
Gosh, TP hit. Nice job.
Some folks want the glory before they learn the
Yeah, John, for real. Yeah, super low volume.
every tick up, every pull back down.
Really surprised a while ago it pushed all the way up to where it did.
The outcome. Focus on the set.
And it held it for a little bit.
Like planting rows and trusting rain.
Akash done for the day. Nice job, my friend.
Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral. The trader must be too.
Nice job.
Master yourself. Then master the NQ.
Right back into the box. ES had a pretty good sell-off too. Gold kind of got that push.
Take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those candles, shut
We'll see.
down. Come on and cue, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that V-wop,
Maybe we come all the way back down to VWAP, huh?
don't you dare stop now.
We gave it a good run. I mean, our high was what, 93, I think.
Stack it on the last, every little tick,
So,
dropping kind of fast. Fade that bounce, kill that hopeful sound.
see if he can get back up over that 200 maybe.
Come on and cue, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that V-wop, show 'em how we got 'em. Take me low.
We were just taking the shots to see if we could be in at through 30K.
Come on
Gold's got that little push going on out of nowhere, huh?
Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I wrote that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blink, blink, blink. Heartbeats countdown, don't even think. Fast hands dance on a worn out mouse. This little desk at my glass walled house. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. Stop loss set like a safety rail. Big risk grin, I don't fear the fail. Storm blows in from the afternoon. I hear that bell, gotta move real soon. Tick by tick, feel the old world fade. New frontier in the moves I made. Dick's clamp glow, midnight run. Chasing that break like a rising sun. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the
Perfect rejection right off the 9.
whiplash into solid gold. Trade the
Perfect short trade right at the 980s. Just kept holding this just to see if it was going to be a nice turnover or not.
how this cowboy rolls. Some boys chase dust on an open plain. I chase that spike in a driving rain. Different saddle, same worn boots. I gamble my time on tomorrow's roots. Oh yeah. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls.
Yeah, still curling.
That's how this cowboy rolls.
Top still at 950.
Sun up glow on a ticker
All right,
screen.
topped out right
Coffee
there.
gone cold, I still keen. Charts lined up
We'll
like a
reassess.
cattle drive. I wrote that move, make the numbers fly. Red
See what happens at
green in a
VWAP
bling,
maybe.
bling, bling. Heartbeats countdown, don't even think. Fast hands dance on a worn out mouse. This little desk is my glass walled house. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. Stop loss set like a safety rail. Big risk grin, I don't fear the fail. Storm blows in from the afternoon. I hear that bell.
Could have passed with that short, but I missed it. Yeah, perfect double top kind of right there.
Frontier in the moves I made.
Came all the way back down. Thought we were going to get a slight pullback and then a push back through the 30s, but
Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls.
low volume, no volume, whatever you want to call it.
Some boys chase dust on an open plain. I chase that spike in a driving rain. Different saddle, same worn boots. I gamble my time on tomorrow's route. Oh the NASDAQ hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all the whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future.
I was gonna ask you how it went last night, Nick, with those oil. Did you just decide all of a sudden oil or what? Decided you were gonna be a crude man?
Let's have this cowboy roll.
948 kinda.
Coffee on screen is glowing, sun comes up, numbers going, little green flicker on the side, got that itch for one more ride. Push those candles, push it, NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go.
Oh shoot, Nick throwing out those big words. One trade, just trying to diversify. Heck yeah. 950 trying to pay. Oh, I hear you. Little bear flag right here showing up all of a sudden. Nice rejection right off the 9. See if they can kind of hold it. Or guys, if you're new to the stream, welcome in. Welcome to the tack room. We're live here every day, 15 minutes before market opens. Stopped in today just to see how the volume was going to do, just to see if we could push through that 30K. Looks like they may be waiting for tomorrow. Mark, we're doing it, Mark. Sort of, yeah, sort of. We had a beautiful setup a while ago, pushing through, almost pushed through the highs, and then it just rolled over on us. A lot of guys got the short all the way down, though. Man, I was wanting just a little bit of a pullback. We had that drop, we had this push here, and we had this candle right here. And I thought, okay, we got that little pullback. Now we're going to get that push up. We just couldn't happen. And then I had this big push right to the 50. I was like, okay, the 50 is going to be the bounce. We had that nice doji inverse hammer, and then we still didn't get that push. So. Top bear flagging at 950. Yep. Got scars from the summers, a rally ran wild. Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child. They call me crazy, but I call it art and cute. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the rein. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I don't know if we can wait for it to come back and kind of retest. See if it fails at like 54. I had to set it where it comes on quite often, Mark, so it would help me remember. Guess I'll have to wait for a long setup. Yeah, I mean, this bear flag's playing out nice. Let's see if that was a candle just to clean up to go long. Let's see. I'm just gonna try one little guy right there. See if it pops back up from here.
Maybe it's skill. Maybe it's just stubborn will.
Just to see, guys. Not financial advice. Welcome to the tack room.
Not for the faint of heart, fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I sat on that stone.
Doesn't look like there's a lot of room to get any play out of this either. Normally, if that was a cleanup candle, we might could get a nice push up here. See if we can get at least 10, 15 points out of it, maybe. If that's what it is. A little 1-to-1.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow, chart like an open road. Giddy up, let's go. Hey! I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, I rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long into the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short into the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds yet. Yeah, I'm the trading cowboy. Giddy up, catch
Anybody got any good plans for the rest of the day? Anybody cooking out?
wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Woo! Yeah. Boots on the disc, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun
Heck
ain't
yeah,
up yet,
nice.
but I'm hunting for dollars. Got my hat tipped below, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise.
Just working on content at the moment, man. I struggled this weekend, Mark. I worked and worked and did some yard work. Then we had the storm. Then we had my mother-in-law's birthday party, and I got a little bit out last night, but that's the hardest part of this whole thing, isn't it? Just staying consistent with the content. Bro, I know it. It has been insane. And I don't know, I mean, super grateful for sure, but the little, I guess I need to do more like that, because the little slide deal that I was trying to make a carousel and I couldn't get it to work with the music, it smoked it, it killed it. Even the one from last night, in the first, like, I don't know, 10 minutes, I guess, it had almost 100 views, but then it just, like, it stopped after that. Like, I hadn't had any more after that. Akash, done for the day, gonna walk the dog, and then hey, buddy, we appreciate you being here. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll have more volume tomorrow. We'll all bring a little extra volume tomorrow for us. Yeah, and then the 20,000 on several. It's kind of up and down though. It's kind of weird that some of them hit hard and then some of them are just kind of like, I don't know. One guy I talked to just said YouTube's kind of playing around with what works and doesn't work. But they do, Big Scotty. They do. I wish I could figure it all out. I mean, it's kind of crazy. I mean, I'll have one that'll have 100 to maybe 1,000 views, and the next one gets 20,000. And then so I try to do another one just like that, and then it gets 400. Yeah, it was late last night, Mark. It was late. And I was gonna set it to go off this morning, and I didn't. God, that's crazy. 1 million views only. Man, Big Scotty, I need 30,000 viewers. That's what I need. That's crazy. Yeah, I need just a little push over that edge. And it's like, just like, I mean, I didn't post any content this weekend. And Friday, I was just on here, like, seriously trying to get, we needed 22 people to get over 2,000 subs. And we couldn't get it. I mean, we still needed 22 people. And then this weekend, no content put out. And it exploded, and we got like 74 people. Crazy. Didn't know that many people liked cake, for real. I mean, I like cake. I like cake. We didn't do a race Friday. I mean, I didn't get the 2,000 people, so I was just like, all right, guys, I'll see y'all later. We had a couple of the people that won on the other deal. I don't know if you were here for it or not, but Bulls versus Bears won the 50K Tradeify. And then two ladies, Trading Princess and Trading Diva, won the TC swag. So one of them wanted one of the cowboy hats that I had, and the other one wanted a t-shirt. So I had to order her a t-shirt to fit with it. Still getting that push down. Had 5 points for a little bit. Maybe we're going all the way back down to 920s. So yeah, guys, if you are new here, smash that like button, click that subscribe button. I don't trust longs anymore today. I feel like we're gonna grind downward. Yeah, I mean, no volume, right? 315. One candle had 94. This one had 300. Our guy probably shorted at the bottom. I mean, it looks like it's still going to get a little pushed down. I don't know. We'll see if this 37 is going to hold. My stop's just right below it.
Alarm bell rings, screens light up, green and red like county fair eyes. Got my watch list, got my plan, ain't just throwing darts and hoping this time. Moving
All right, popped out right.
across a lane in, Mac
What a
D
push.
talking about a shift in the wind. Volume jumping like a Friday
See if we can get down to the 17 maybe. Get down to VWAP. See if it has any kind of bounce.
Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Bands like barbed wire tie.
886 could be the sales target. I booked early due to less volatility, but otherwise I would have held these lows till 886. Selling my stop and profit. Yeah.
Truck in the yard, pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker fly. 15-minute
Crazy for sure, guys. Wow.
be hitting like a hometown parade. VWAP sitting like a center stripe. Price comes back and it feels just right. Trend reversals with
See if we get that bounce off the 25.
inversion in my gut say easy. I ain't chasing every flash and flame. Just another small win in a big long riding this chart like a back road line.
Guitar guy says, never mind, I'm in the right direction.
Bollinger Bands like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker flies. Could be red, could be green, it's alright. Wrist set tight, I can sleep at night. Oh yeah. Just a farm kid reading candlesticks, turning little ticks into big lights. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Bands like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker flies.
Might see if we get a VWAP bounce, maybe try to enter if we get a little wick through like 915 maybe. Maybe kind of through there a little bit. Making another little bear flag.
Here, my friends, to lay one dream to rest. A shiny screen, a wild idea. I tried to do my best. Click that buy, then clicked it twice. Thought I'd ride it to the sky. But that margin call came knocking, tipped its hat and said goodbye. So raise your glass for my blown up futures account. It went fast on a tiny little price amount. I was a trading cowboy till the red just wiped me out. Use code Cowboy for your discount on a brand new account.
All right, bounced real hard right at the 20s. I'm gonna take that order off.
Sun comes up on the tick chart glow. Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor. Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this opens what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tonk man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy Yusef picks a dealing tune while Charles drives charts like a dusty old car. We're trader riding NASDAQ together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, new jack swing in his soul. Terpinator calls, here comes the good news through the chop, we don't let go. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together where the green candles grow. Driving obsession taps his ring on the desk.
Gotta order rival low VWAP, just see if we get a bounce of it.
Marco singing
Neural, can I hold my sell entry? Bro, if you got in at the top up there, heck yeah.
good news whispers like a back porch breeze. Bad ticks bite like a barbed wire fence. We tip our hats to the ones still holding every loss, every win, every cent. Well, Trevor riding NASDAQs together in this flickering cattle drive show. Marco's got that R&B with a new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah, Terpinator smiles, here comes the good news through the chop, we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together where the green candles grow.
I was just saying that the old pullback to VWAP was gonna hold up today, that's all. Alright, so I'm in right there. Just gonna target about 10 points maybe. Still going down. Yeah, cautious says trail it a little bit.
Up before the opening bell, screen glow on my face. Got lines drawn all over that chart, like a road map to some place. Red,
Nice job, Neural. Nice job, Neural.
candles dancing in a row.
Good job, buddy.
I've been studying this storm all night, just waiting for it to blow. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick. Yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout, hoping this run's gonna really stick.
We have that pivot point down there at 881. I think Akash at 887 would be his target.
You're that sudden surge in my veins, that false break that turns out true. Every pattern I thought I knew got rewritten when I met you. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick. Yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout, hoping this run's gonna really stick. If love's just numbers and faith in the plan, baby, you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to you. Trading my heart, that's what I do.
Guitar guy, I was hoping I caught the bottom for a long. Kind of looked like for a minute. I don't know now, guitar guy.
Me around, but you're that steady line through the wild. You turn this gambler into a child. Oh, you do. I'm just trading my
We'll see how she plays.
heart on a Friday,
He's testing again.
risking it all.
Not real hopeful since it went up and kind of rejected the VWAP this time. Good morning, Kisla. Good to see you. We're kind of thinking we shouldn't be either, but just hop on here to say hi to everybody anyway. Get a couple views maybe. Meet some new people maybe. Had a lot of people hop on already.
That's what I do.
Got all the OGs on here. Yeah, it is. It is low and tricky. Low and tricky. See if it rejects here or if we keep pushing. Guitar guy really shoots up. Yeah. You never know. I'm gonna throw a stop in there. I've got this same trade on two different screens. Try not to give up too much.
through the highs, bust through these EMAs.
You want to hear some new music? Let me see if I can find it.
I'm staring down the
Let me see.
beat these bears, push those candles, get up there. Come on in, Q. Giddy up. Let's ride it all the way to the top. Giddy up. Up before the opening bell, screen glow on my face.
I'm gonna get pretty aggressive with this stop now.
Over that shot like a roadmap to
Give myself about 15 points just because this is the one we lost on a while ago. Now we're back up in the positive.
candles dancing in a row. I've been studying.
If we get stopped, I'll switch over to this other account we're on. We're on same trade on 2 accounts.
I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick. Yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout, hoping this run's gonna
All right, flat on that one, out on that one. Got our 270 back, up 48 on the day on it now. Let me switch over to this other one. Same trade on this one. Probably a little bit better, a little bit cleaner. But looking for these 50s up here maybe.
trading my heart. That's what I do.
May take it off at the 50s if we get to the 50 MA if we get up there. But
Say I live inside that screen, but girl, when you walk in the room, you erase everything. You're that sudden surge in my veins, a false break that turns out true. Every pattern I thought I knew got rewritten when I met you. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little love.
52, 210 for Guitar Guy. Bro, keep up the good work. Stay patient. Stay consistent with it, right? Don't be scared to cut those losers fast. Nice job.
That's what I do. Some days I'm up, some days I'm down. Fear and hope spinning me around. But you're that steady line through the wild. You turn this gambler into a child. Oh, you do.
All right, Kislea. Appreciate you, brother. We'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, my friend. All right, I'm going to start trolling this a little bit tighter. I'm going to take it back to the bottom of this wick. Guaranteeing myself about 19, almost 20 points. We're just looking for it to continue to push. Continue to push.
That's what I do.
If you're new to the stream, welcome to the Tack Room. We do this live every day, every day. There's over 25 points. Just going to follow it to the bottom of that candle now, guaranteeing myself about 23 points.
Screen glow on my face. Got lines drawn all over that chart, like a road map to some place. Red, green, flicker, and fight.
Let's see if we can push through this 50. I kind of feel like we'll get a slight rejection right here. Maybe get a push up to about 42, 43 maybe, and then a little pullback, but we'll see. I had to get out a couple trades with small losses because I kept getting chopped up. Yeah, guitar guy. I mean, that's the way to trade anyway. All right, topped out right there for about 450 bucks. So now this account's up 450. Look at that pullback. Look at that pullback.
Trading my heart, that's what I do. You laugh when I talk about trends, say I live inside that screen. But girl, when
Mean one. Mean one. What's going on?
you erase everything, you're that sudden surge in my veins, that false break that turns out true. Every pattern I thought I knew got rewritten when I met you. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick. Yeah, I'm counting on us,
That's the rejection of the 50 I'm talking about, chat.
hoping this runs
Crazy.
really stick. If love's just numbers and faith in the plan, baby, you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to you.
Could be a little inversion. Let's see.
That's what I do. Some days I'm up, some days I'm down. Fear and hope spinning me around. But you're that steady line through the wild. You turn this gambler into a child. Oh, you do. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick. Oh, yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout.
All right, let's see if I can find that. Let me see.
Gonna really stick. If love's just numbers and faith in the plan, baby, you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to you. Trading my heart, that's what I do.
Are we getting the bear flag, chat?
Coffee cup ring on a legal pad. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Tickers rolling like a freight train past. But I'm just watching, giving it time. Call mine fast market. That's a deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic. Just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come.
EMAs are starting to curl over. Let's watch for it.
Waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart
Kind of feel like it might come down here and tap, kind of clean up this 922 wick, maybe to the 920, then get a nice pop back up. But
after the NQ.
let's see if this is a fake bear flag.
Used to white knuckle every red line. Heart on fire with every little tick. Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch swing. Let the fear fade slow, let the noise run thin. Calm hands on the mouse now, just a plan and a time of day. If it comes around. If it don't, I still walk away. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too. Master yourself, then master the NQ. Some folks want the glory before they learn the ground. I just read my story, and every tick up, every pull back down. Detached from the outcome, on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral.
All right, I told y'all, fake bear flag. Let's see what it keeps doing.
Master yourself.
Guys, if you're new to the stream, welcome to the tack room. Thanks for being here. Smash that like button for us. We do this live every day, 15 minutes before market open, all the way to the end of the day usually. Are we gonna give up now? Are we gonna give up now, chat? Pretty strong right here, pretty strong. Let's see. Trying to do a little inversion, still a bear flag.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow.
TP 961.
Backing up and roll, get it up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, a rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw. I'm the trading cowboy, giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin.
See if we can push past this 50. Kind of looking at 43. Stopped her in the money.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those candles, yeah, shove them down. Come on and Q, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that V-wop, show them how we got them. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, 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 down.
All the way to POC. 961 POC then.
Red bar, stack it on the last. Every little tick, dropping kind of fast. Fade that bounce, kill that hopeful sound. One more flush, send it through the ground. Come on and Q, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that V-wop, show them how we got them. Take me low.
All right, stop me out of one.
Now, come on down, come on down, 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 down. Come on down, 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 come on down, 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 come on down, 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 down. Come on down, 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 come on down, down.
See if we can get that continuation. Come on. Do we need a little inversion? All right, stopped out of both of those.
Coffee gone cold, I still king. Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I rope that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blink, blink, blink. Heartbeats countdown, don't even think. Fast hands dance on a worn out mouse. This little desk at my glass walled house. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls.
All right, let me see if I can join in right here maybe. Let's see if this pops back up. This pops back up, back over the 9.
I don't fear the fail. Storm blows in from the afternoon. I hear that bell, gotta move real soon. Tick by tick, feel the old world fade. New frontier.
I like that wick down. If this is going to be kind of a retest, kind of a final retest of the 25 area.
Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash
Still under it. Yeah, fish, it is weak. If it would pop back up, I don't want to just jump in right here, but if it popped back above it. Maybe around the 930s, I may just set an entry there. Or it's going to make another bear flag. Guys, if you're new to the stream, welcome to the tack room. Thanks for being here. I just threw our Discord in the chat. I'm going to pin it to the top. Feel free to jump in there.
On the floor, screen lights glow, chart like an open road. Giddy up, let's go.
Give us a howdy in the chat if you are new.
I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring.
Oh, it threw me in. It threw me in. I'm in long again. Top will probably be below 920. Let's see if I can take one off up here at the top, kind of at the 50. And we'll see if we can get that push. WNC Tony. Nice to see you in the chat, bro. Good to see you here. Welcome in, welcome in. Our Discord's pinned at the top of it. If y'all want to join that, it's totally free. Doesn't cost you anything. Got a great little community building right there. Any trading we kind of do after hours or anything, we do right there in the chat. Feel free to jump in there. Yeah, Tony, no problem. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. Kind of weird to be doing it on a holiday right now. No volume, just trying to catch a few little trades maybe. Catch a couple. You never know. No volume, so it's hard to make these trades. Welcome to the tack room though. We got some phenomenal people in the chat too that's phenomenal traders, so make sure you stick around for sure. Tomorrow will be even better, I know. Cannot get that push. I mean, it kind of looks like a W, right? Kind of a W, chat. Y'all squint a little bit if you don't see a W. Kind of right here. Get that push up here, maybe. No? Nobody sees it? Getting weak, guys. Super weak.
Skill, maybe it's just stubborn will, but I'll be here
We're gonna take one off just up here at the 50 EMA roughly, if it gives us that much. Just can't do it. Can't do it, chat. Hard to trade this fish. It's hard to trade this.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower, watch that screen.
All right, let's see if we can hit that 50. It kind of moved under me a little bit.
Push those candles, shove 'em down.
Let me trick it. I'll move it up a little bit. We'll take one off right there if it gives it to us. Gonna go ahead and put my stops in the money, just since we have a crazy day. Just since it's being crazy, chat.
Stack it on the last.
Oh, there you go. What is that?
Dropping kinda fast. Fade that bounce, kill that hopeful sound.
Gonna start trailing this last one. TP hit on the one. Got some news or a little squeeze or something. Look at that, chat. Whoa, whoa. Look at that, chat. Look at that. All right, I'm out right there. 1,048 on the day right there. Come on, let's go. Oh, what was that? What was that, chat? I told you that was a W. Look at that. Still running. Still running, guys. Look at that. It's going to push right up to the 30s. Right up to the 30s. Ranger boy. What happened, bro? What the heck is going on? What is our volume on this? Yeah, look at that push. 1,850, 17. We're getting some volume all of a sudden. I'm going to join right here. Don't do this, guys. Not financial advice. Just going to see if we can get that push to the 30. Maybe it was tricking us. Maybe it was tricking us, chat. Some shorts just got blown. For real. For real. I just want to ride it through the 30s. We tried that a while ago. We got busted up. Give me the 30s. Glad I was in the right side. Me too, guitar guy. Come on, give me the 30s. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Put your hats on and ride. Let's go. Crude dumped at the same time NQ jumped. Wow. Guys, this may be the wrong thing. Just want to ride it through the 30s. Come on. Come on, chat. If it dumps again here, I'm going to be super sad. Super sad. Yeah, better put your spurs on. You ain't joking. I just jumped in there randomly, man. We rode that thing to the top just then, so we made like $1,000 on the little trade. So we're risking half of it just to say we were in up to the 30s. Thanks for being here, Impulse, though. What a time to be alive, chat. What a time to be alive.
My profits in the proof. Little cowboy of the NASDAQ, singing risk and truth.
This is our favorite dump handle, right, guys? If we weren't in long, this would ensure us that our short's going to pay off. I'm going to add one right there just to see if this is going to be a flag. I'll take it back off up here if it is.
Sun comes up on the tick chart glow.
You said a W. I guess it worked for both of us. Man, I'm glad it worked for you. I'm glad it worked. It did work. I just didn't think it was going to be that explosive. I was kind of expecting the 50 EMA right up here, kind of a little push through it, but I'm glad it worked. Glad it worked. Let's just let it work one more time. Our famous words, right? One more time, NQ. Just one more time. Ranger boy, already traded last night. I'm just here watching this thing pump. Man, I tried a little bit last night. I jumped in a trade that I thought was going to clearly be a bear flag and went in pretty heavy because it wasn't getting a lot of movement. And then that thing ran, got out, and then I chased little base hit for about an hour just trying to get most of it. I think I ended up like 200 down for the night. Got it back first thing this morning though. So. If you're new to the tack room though, welcome in. Thanks for being here. Nick says, watching crude right now at literally completely opposite of what NQ is doing. He says, that's wild. I mean, what is everything else doing? I mean, ES had the same push. Nvidia is still dumping. Gold had the same push, come back down. Red candle. Alicia, howdy, howdy. Good to see you here. Guys, our Discord is pinned at the top. It's totally free. Welcome to the tack room. I'm going to add one more right there. Stops at the same place. Good news is in the house. Good news got locked out earlier because he made so much money. They locked him out. They said, good news, we can't give you no more money today. He threw it in the Discord. Just like at the casino, they said, good news, we don't want your play no more today. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. Thanks for being here, guys.
Used to white knuckle every red line, heart on fire with every little tick. Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch swing.
Guitar guy, I'm done with this. Down for the day, 138. I thought you caught that big old flag right there. Or that big old push. I thought you caught that. Here for the banner. Let's support Cowboy. Let's go. Well, good news. I mean, I rode this all the way up for like $1,000 just a second ago. And then I just jumped in way up here at the 80s, just thinking we were going to get that massive push through the 30s. and then it didn't do that. So then I averaged into it twice. You know, the famous trading cowboy, the famous good news, add into this sucker till it don't work. Just add into it.
Some folks want the glory before they learn the ground. I just read my story and every tick of
And then Mark's quote jumps right up on the screen for us.
detached from the outcome. Focus on the setup like planting rows and trust.
All right, Fish Buddy, thanks for being here. We'll catch you tomorrow when we got some real action. Tomorrow we'll have volume. We'll complain about the price action. Guitar guy caught the push, but it didn't give him positive. Dang it. Yeah, I was hoping these EMAs would kind of protect me right here. They may not.
Coffee gone cold on a dead slam glow. Boots on the floor, but I don't leave home. Watching that open like a rodeo gate. Every tick bucking like it's sealing my fate. Got scars from the sun.
Actually, where can I find these songs? The only place you can find them besides right here is you can go to my website, thetradingcowboy.com, and there's a whole playlist right there. And I'll have it on another platform pretty soon, so stay tuned. And we got a few new ones will be coming out tomorrow also. Good news says I watch EMAs, but volume profile is fire. I agree with that. Crazy boy, what's up? What's up, my friend? What is up? So yeah, actually just go to thetradingcowboy.com. You can click on the TC radio. And you got them right there. And like I said, we'll have some new ones come in tomorrow on the stream. And then we do have another platform we're working with right now to get them out to everybody. Make sure you click that subscribe button, guys. Welcome to the Tack Room. Thank you. I'm on it. Release on YouTube. Man, I can try. All right, I'm leveraged to the max now, guys. Stops in the same place. This has got to work right here. It's got to work, chat. It's got to work. Didn't take any trades today since it's a holiday. You did good. You did good. I just lost everything I just made a second ago. What a rush, though. What a rush, chat. I really thought with that squeeze we were going to get that push all the way up there. I thought maybe with gold kind of turned in too, right? Gold really turned. Kind of started pushing back up. I don't know. We'll catch another one. We'll catch another one.
Alarm bell rings, screens light up, green and red light.
Yeah, for real.
Got my watch list, got my plan. Ain't just throwing darts and hoping this time. Moving averages cross.
This is a little funded. I just got past last week.
Volume jumping like a Friday crowd. ATR saying it's running wild now. I'm riding this chart like a back row line. Fibonacci on
930 to 998. Yeah. I had 14 until Friday, crazy boy. Now I've got 13, so should be back up to maybe 17 or 18 by the end of the week if everything goes right. Maybe. What time zone are you in? Central time. So it's 10:26 here right now. 10:26 a.m. Yeah, we got over 40 people watching, guys. Hit that like button for us. Appreciate all y'all being here. Our Discord is pinned at the top of the chat. If anybody y'all went in there, it's totally free. We got some cool stuff going on right now in there. We're working on some stuff every day. We got some news coming in there. We got some other stuff going in. We've got the Trump tracker, so you know where he's at, coming in. We got all the cool people in the chat right now that's also in the Discord. If we ever trade London or Asian session, we do it live in the Discord instead on YouTube. So. Another pushback down. Near the range with slippage to 913. Something big about to happen. Volume has been building. Man. I wish I knew what it was. Good news. I wish I knew what it was. I mean, we came all the way back down now, guys. Come on. What are we doing? What a fake out. Is that almost a triple top for us? Quadruple top almost. Low broken might come back to retest POC again before anything. London close is coming. Thanks, Nick. What is your POC? Good news? It was in the 960s a while ago. still getting that push down. 925s, that was kind of our support before. I'm glad I'm out. Yeah, good news. It is crazy.
On a tiny little price amount, I was a trading cowboy. Till the red just widened me out. Use code cowboy for your discount on a brand new account. Laid some flowers on the chart, 30 contracts deep. Stop was just a suggestion while I chase that losing streak. Now screenshots, war stories, laughing at the mess I made. But there's a fresh log in a waiting and a smarter plan to trade. So raise your glass for my blown up futures account. It went fast on a tiny little price amount. I was a trading cowboy till the red just wiped me out. Use code cowboy for your discount on a brand new account. May your losses rest in peace. May your legs
Yes, sir.
stick around. Tip your hat
Give it to me, good news.
chart before you lay that money down. Yeah, raise your glass for my blown up futures account. We bounce back.
Made all that money. Bro, that's where I do all mine. Every time it's going one way, I try to catch it the other.
Sing it loud. Use code cowboy for your discount on a brand new account. Trading cowboy.
It's crazy. I don't know why my mind gets like that. Sounds like yours may get to like that too, but that's the first thing I always do is like, okay, it's going this way. I'm gonna wait for this big bounce. I'm gonna catch this bounce. Or
Me higher. I'm staring down the bears today. Beat these bears. Push those candles. Get up there. Hey, come on in, Q. Giddy up. Let's ride it all the way to the top. Giddy up. Giddy up.
only when I was done, I said to myself, yo, you did not do that next time. Yeah, it's crazy. That's where I usually add and add and add, and then it doesn't work. It doesn't work.
Glow on a starting gate. Spurs on boots and a clean white plate. Screens in the barn show the tick by ticks.
Guys, type exclamation point CB in the chat if you want to enter in the giveaway. We'll do a little horse race here in a little bit. We're going to give away a couple hats. We can definitely send them to anybody in the United States. If you're not in the United States, we can try, but I can't guarantee we can send it out that far. So exclamation point CB, and we're going to give away a couple hats today. I know we can get it close to where good news is, I think. So let me go get them. I'll show y'all what we got.
Or a wild long slide for that trading cowboy's prize. Gate clangs loud and the field explodes. Hoof beats drum like a ticker load. I'm long on hope, short on fear. He yells, ride smart, that payoff's near. Pass the
All right, guys, we got some hats right here. We got right here with the TC logo on it. Brandy Richardson. We'll do one of those. We got one in black. We'll let the winner of that take a pick if they want the black and gray or the gray and black. And then for Memorial Day, we got the Trading Cowboy snapbacks. not too many like it in the world. This company's come on huge. It's like a baseball hat. It's got the snaps in the back. It's got the U.S. flag on the front of it. You can style it however you want to, just like a regular cowboy hat. You can flatten it out. You can do whatever you want to with it. You can make it rounder in the front. Perfect for the beach, perfect for the lake, perfect for golfing with your friends. So we'll give away a couple of those if we get anybody in the chat. We got a couple already. We're gonna do this for about, let's see, we got 25 minutes left on it. So a little after 11, we'll have our little Trading Cowboy Derby. Good News knows what it's all about. Stay tuned. Like I said, if you are in the U.S., we'll definitely get it out to you pretty fast. They ship out pretty fast, but yeah, it is making a nice little bear flag, isn't it? We probably have a higher time frame bear flag too. So if we go back to a higher time frame, we can kind of go from the low this morning and go to that previous low, and then you can kind of see how we kind of bounced off of it earlier. Kind of almost bounced off of it right there. So exclamation point CB though, if you want in the giveaway. It is playing out. 021348. Thanks for being here. First time. Well, welcome in. Welcome to the tack room. We'll do a giveaway in about, where's our time at? Still have about 22 minutes left for the giveaway. Exclamation point CB. Like I said, we'll give away a ball cap and then one of our snapback cowboy hats. We do. We're going to give away. We'll give away a couple ball hats. We got the Trading Cowboy leather caps, Richardson's. We'll give away a couple of those, and then we'll give away one of our, since it's Memorial Day, we'll give away one of the U.S. snapbacks. It's a cowboy hat. It's like a baseball hat. This one has the red, white, and blue on it. You can shape it however you want. You can fold it flat. You can curl it up like a cowboy hat. It's good for ponytails also in the back. Good for the lake, good for out in the sun, good for mowing, good for golfing. Exclamation point CB energy into that.
Sun's going down on the candles I roll. Chalk still burning from the paths I chose. Some green
And again, if you're in the US, it won't be a big deal to ship those right out to you. If you're not in the US, we can enter it in and see if it's anything possible. We have sent some stuff to London and stuff like that. So not saying it's out of the question, but it may pose a little bit of a delay.
take a breath tonight. Yeah, the market don't care who you are. It'll humble you fast, leave a scar. But every loss got a lesson inside if you're willing to look. Not high, this is the Cowboy's law. Write it down in truth. Wins and the losses, yeah, they all leave proof. Balance the books, let the numbers speak. Find the strength in the habits you keep. Write it back tomorrow, no fear, no plea. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. One trade at a time, one step each day. From the red to the green, we find our way. Funded accounts and evils in place. Some hit targets, some slipped away. Took that A plus, yeah, that clean setup, then chased one late and paid too much. Felt that pressure creeping in close, trying to force trades just to hit that goal. But I see it now, gotta slow that pace. Discipline's the edge in this race I chase. Ain't about swinging at every pitch. It's the ones you wait for that make you rich. Patience paid is the strongest hand. Not every move's meant to land. This is the Cowboy's law.
Long-term bear flag played out for a little bit.
Entry, every flaw I saw.
A little VWAP at 920 kind of caught it. Gold's pulling back pretty hard. NQ's getting a curl back up.
Tomorrow, clear eyes to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. Stay the course, don't chase the flame.
Yogi Bear, welcome to the chat.
Game of the game, yeah. Slow it down, lock it in. Discipline over trying to win. Not every day's a payout ride, but every day's a step inside the trader you're building, brick by brick. Not by love, but how you stick. This is the Cowboy's log, end of the day. Truth in the numbers, no running away. Mindset
Rejected right off the 14 again. That 14's been holding up pretty nice. If you look back since we had our crossover on the 9 and 14,
come, another chance to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be.
just not going to short it into the VWAP, guys.
We grind, sharpen the edge. We find the mind. We find the mind.
If we get below VWAP, we're back above.
Boots on the desk, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Got my head tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts are like canyons, red dust on the line. I'm roping in those breakouts, one tick at a time. Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire. Every little flicker feeds that fire. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Yeah, we shout.
Donic player, not much, man. What's good with you?
Speed horses on a fiber trail. Click
Akash back from the gym.
and tail. Push NASDAQ, push the
That a boy Akash.
screen. Let's rip, let's ride, live the screen door dream. Got my watch list loaded like a bell full of round. When that volume stamp
One good runner and I'm right back on. Push my smash,
Welcome back for sure.
candles green, let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Come on, we shout yeehaw to the moon. High speed
Jose, the biggest, the largest. You barely made it for the giveaway, Jose. Exclamation point CB in the chat.
green, let's rip, let's ride, live a screen door.
There we go. There we go.
Stopped out, locked out, flat in the dust, but I settled.
CB 2 infused, don't look back.
That trend line bends.
2 infused
I'm a
long?
Rick Cowboy riding straight on through.
Which way good news?
Push NASDAQ,
Short.
candles green, let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Hands up high, we howl. Let the moon, high speed horses on a fiber trail.
Short, bro. Oh man, I just hate shorting through the VWAP. Maybe right here when it touches the 14 again, it'll go through like melted butter.
Coffee on screen is glowing, sun comes up, numbers going, little green flicker on the side, got that itch for one more ride. Push those
See what it does right here at the 14. Probably reject right off of it again.
never look back. Let's go. Let's ride. Yeah, push those candles, chase that sky.
Not sure about melted butter, but yeah. Oh.
Heart beats fast, chart keeps climbing, every tick feels like timing. Gut says hold, but my hands say bye. Another breakout coming by. Push those candles, push it, NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go. Let's ride.
Sonic, which broker do you use for trading? A little bit of all of them. Tradeify, of course. Lucid, Take Profit Trader.
Let's go, let's ride. Coffee on, screen is glowing, sun comes up.
Good news is to target 910.
Little green flicker on.
I like the 910 area. That's where I got that good bounce before. I don't know. Seems like it's trying to hold right here. I don't know. I see what you're saying. I love it. The second I try, though, after being in this downtrend, it's going to just rip up above the 14 all the way to 937. We literally just talked about fighting the trend, and now you're trying to have me go with it.
Feels like timing. Gut says hold, but my hands say bye. Another breakout coming by. Push those candles, push it, NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go.
Guys, if you're new to the stream, smash that like button for me. Help a cowboy out. Thanks for being here. Don't do it by their observation. I mean, I like it is the problem. I just don't know.
Sun up glow on a ticker screen, coffee gone cold, I still keen. Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I wrote that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blank, blank, blank. Heartbeats count down.
About 11 minutes left for the giveaway, guys. We're going to give away some TC swag. Give away a nice Richardson hat. And then for Memorial Day, we'll give away a little TC snapback with the U.S. flag on it. Red, white, and blue with stars. It's a cowboy hat that's also a baseball hat.
Stop loss set like a safety rail. Big risk grin, I don't fear the fail. Storm blows in from the afternoon. I hear that bell, gotta move real soon. Tick by tick, feel the old world fade. New frontier in the moves I made. Desk lamp glow, midnight run. Chasing that break like a rising sun. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp my swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future.
Thanks, Good News.
Moment under these neon halos.
Good news is I notice when I trade this way, I do better.
Yeah, that's how this cowboy
When you trade against the trend or with it.
Some boys chase dust on an open plane. I chase that spike in a driving rain. Different saddles,
Rock
same
D,
boots. I gamble my time on tomorrow's
welcome to the chat, Rock. Welcome to the giveaway.
ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum.
Got about 9 minutes left for the giveaway, guys.
Swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all the whiplash.
We'll do it right after that. We'll do it right after that, chat. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you do win. The Ripper, there's the Ripper. Yeah, we are. Yes, sir, we are. We're here every day, 15 minutes before open. About the last, oh, geez, I don't know, last maybe month and a half to 2 months, we've been streaming all day. We'll scale that back a little bit, but for right now, we're here 15 minutes before market open, New York, until close just about. The Ripper said I have a 3-month holiday. 3-month holiday.
Boots on the desk, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Got my hat tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts look like canyons, red dust on the line.
Oh, see, there's that push down, but then it pushed right back up to the VWAP.
Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire. Every little flicker feeds that fire. Push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride.
KC, welcome to the stream. CB, call me Prophet from now on. No more good news. I'm just gonna call you the Prophet. And we can spell it Profit. Raw, welcome to the stream. Guys, make sure y'all are subscribers. Make sure you're subscribers. Click that subscribe button.
Feel it shake the ground. Chat room talking live. Campfire talking night. We're telling tales of lemon fields we barely survive. Wind streaks whipsaw, same old song. One good runner and I'm right back on. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride. You know
I'm gonna try not to get trapped right here. The giveaway, we're gonna give away a couple hats. So the Ripper, we got a couple hats we'll give away. Lucky 007, howdy. We also have a US snapback. It's like a cowboy hat. It's like a baseball hat.
up at open, turn that fear into trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a
If you're in the US, it won't be too hard to get them shipped out. If you're not, it may be a little bit of a challenge, but we'll give it a shot, guys. We will give it a shot.
push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride. You know what I mean? Kick that open
Which one you need, Rock? This one?
hands up high, we howl at the moon. High-speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green.
Check that out.
Let's ride till the closing bell
Got the
scream.
US flag on it. Got the stars and stripes on the back. You can shape it any way you want, and it's just like a baseball hat. I've got a couple different ones too, guys, if y'all ever want something different. Lucky 007, I'm from India. I mean, if you win, you can send me your address. The best thing's gonna be is to get on, join our Discord. We'll take the black US flag one here in Houston. Heck yeah. But yeah, just if you're not from the US, when we do the giveaway, I could probably send a hat. We'll just have to, you have to be in the Discord. You can send me your address and I'll throw it in the postage deal and see what it says. So we will try. If you're from the US though, no big deals. We can send them anywhere. Definitely won't be a big deal in Houston because I'm in Texas too, so I think I'm 10-12 hours from Houston, but I can get it there pretty fast. We got a couple other ones too. Here's a black one with the TC logo on it. Solid black. Here's kind of the white camo. I don't know if y'all can see the camo in it, but it's kind of a white and gray camo with the TC logo. Pretty sick. They're kind of a little bit size related, so I kind of know what size of head you have, but we have a couple sizes. About 3.5 minutes left, and then we'll set up the giveaway, guys. I do rock, if you go to thetradingcowboy.com, you can see some of the merch we have on there. I don't have some of the hats on there right now, but if you're in the Discord, let me know and I can send you some pictures of what I have here actually in the office. I can take some pictures and throw it in the Discord later though, for sure. When will you give away the account? Our next account giveaway is on the 29th. What we do for the account giveaways, guys, since you're new here, every day, sometime on the stream, we do a TC Derby race, which y'all will get to see here in a minute. The winner of the Derby race gets an entry into the giveaway that we do every 10 days. So every 10 days, we give away a couple different merch things and at least one account. So in between that time, if you win the race during the week, you don't get anything, but you do get an entry for the final Derby race where we do give that away. Jose, I'll take a military green. Check this out, Jose. I don't have my logo on it yet, Jose, but look, check that out. The military green. We'll put the Trading Cowboy logo on it. Sweet. Guys, thanks for being here. Smash that like button for us. Remember, you do have to be a subscriber to win today. If you're in the U.S., the delivery of one of these hats you win today won't be a big deal at all. Yeah, so we have a couple different ones. I have a couple different colors. We got this one. It's just the Richardson 112. And our logo will be on any one of them that you get. Then I have, what else I got? We got some white and gray. And then these don't have the logos on them yet, but I got these right here. These are a little more expensive. These are a few dollars more, but they got the laser cut. And then of course they'll have the little patch on them right in the center. And I got that in gray, and then I got them in black also. They got the little laser cut breathe holes in them. All right, guys, the giveaway entry is over. There again, if you're in the U.S., the shipping won't be hard at all. If you're not, we will give it a try, guys. We're not going to leave anybody out. Sometimes it is hard to get sent over there. We've sent some stuff over there, and it's got there no problem. We've had some that we gave away that was free that never made it to the site. But we'll look at it and try. If you're here in the U.S., definitely if you're in Houston, come on, Texas. Won't be a problem at all. Let me get our giveaway set up. We'll give it away. We still got about an hour left before market close, but it's not really doing anything. Let's just take it nice and easy, right, guys? Enjoy some free merch, maybe. Let me get us some music back on. All right, let me get everybody's names put in here. If you're new to the stream, though, welcome in. All right, finally getting that nice push up off the 20s, wick through the 13, almost to the 10s. You can kind of look back, it kind of caught this little area right here. That's kind of where we had that nice bounce earlier. And then look, if you look back right there, boom. All right, I almost got it set up right here, guys. Give me just a second. Oh, it would have good news, and I would have trailed it too, so. Turn some of my stuff off here so y'all can see everything. Yeah, definitely. Well, even at the 50 right here, it's the first time we've gotten over the 14 in a little while. All right, guys, welcome to the TC Derby.
Dust on my boots, phone in my hand, watching them odds like lines in the sand. Got charts on the
Let me give y'all a couple shuffles right here. We got several people in the race today. We may do a couple of them. I'm just going to shuffle y'all in here. May the best trader win. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Welcome to the Trading Cowboy Derby. Good news pushing out front. Tony giving it a good push right here off the bat. Jose coming from behind. Impulse Waiver pushing hard. The Ripper. About a minute left, guys. Don't get too tired. Come on, good news. There's Jose pushing hard. Jose out of nowhere. Yogi Bear. Impulse out on top. There's Hayfee. There's Hay. Come on, push. Jose, let's go. Donic Player pushing hard. Come on, here's the home stretch right here. Here's the straightaway. Welcome to the TC Derby, guys. Good news. Is that really who won? Did he really just win that? Good news. Good news. The Prophet. The Prophet. He finally won one, guys. He finally won one. All right, let me write it down so I don't forget. Good news, you know what to do. You're in the Discord. You can just private message me on there. What color hat you want, Good News? Let's do this real quick. I got the white and gray. I got the black and gray. Or I got the gray with the black. Or I have the brown. I got the brown also. Like the one I always wear. I have several of those over there too. What color of that do you want? Black and gray. All right, let's do this. Let me take Good News out. And let's run it back again. Let me get y'all a couple shuffles. Get y'all kind of moved around. And let's go again. Let's go again, chat. Big push. Let's go. How do you participate in this? I thought you were in this. Are you in here? Let me see. You may be way back there. No? There's some people. Raw Duran out front. Here comes a rock. Rodrigo. Yogi Bear pushing hard. Here comes a Kosh. Come on, somebody's got to step out front. Who's going to do it? The Rock pushing hard. Is he going to do it? The Rock. The Rock. The Rock. Nice job. Lucky 07. How would we participate in this? We had the opening for the giveaway a while ago. Whenever we open those up, we give it so much time. You type in !CB, and then you get an entry into it, and then we do the race. So we're doing it a little special today for Memorial Day. The Rock, where are you located, Rock? What state are you in? What state are you in, Rock? Are you in the U.S.? Where are you at? Yeah, just checked out. So this is a little different today, guys, because I'm just giving away some of the Trading Cowboy swag. We do this giveaway every day. Usually what we do during the week, we have one of these races during the week, and then the winner of the race goes on to race in our final derby that we do every 10 days. On that date, we usually give away a free eval and then a little bit of swag. I'm outside USA, but brother is a pilot and get it from me in the USA. Nice. Are you in the Discord yet? I guess, Rock, join the Discord, and then you can message me in there, and we'll figure out how to get it to your brother. We'll make it work. What color All right, so good news got the black and gray. Well, that's the good news. So I've got three. I've got the gray and black. I've got the gray and white. All right, Impulse Waiver. We'll see him tomorrow, maybe, I hope. And I've got the brown and tan. Which one of those you want? Let's see what happened. Everything froze. Oh, we lost everybody. I'm on Discord now. USA had the USA. Oh yeah. If not, the gray one looks. Do you want to do the USA? You want to do this one? I'll ship that one to you, Rock. Hold on, guys. I'm going to do one more giveaway, but I had to get it froze on us, so I had to refresh it. Yeah, I'll do that one for you. That one costs a lot more anyway. USA. You got it, bro. Yeah, let's get together. We'll figure out how to get it to you. All right, let's do one more. Let me see if I can get it on here. I don't know why it froze on us. We'll do one more giveaway, guys. One more, just because we're feeling good. Remember, guys, the only reason we're doing this, 44, the ex-Punisher. What's up, Cowboy? What's up? All right, kind of testing this low again, guys. I hate to take you back to trading, guys, but look at that. Kind of tested that again. All right, we're going to do one more right here.
Dust on my boots, phone in my hand, watching them.
Neural, you barely missed the giveaway. Well, I thought you were in it earlier, Neural. Did you not get in a while ago?
Still stuck in my head. It's the trading cowboy derby. Who's gonna win? Got a ticket in my pocket.
Good to see you. I just subbed. Man, thanks so much. We appreciate it, bro. We're going huge. Akash says, come on, horsey. Come on. And guys, we're doing this giveaway just for Memorial Day. Just a shout out to all the brave men and women, you know, who gave up, who sacrificed everything they had for our freedom. We'll never forget you. We know that freedom is not free. Just encourage everybody just to take a moment today to remember those heroes. Yeah, but my horse is slow. Oh gosh, where are you at? Oh, you're there now. I see you now. Impulse waivers pushing hard on the front in the number 1 lane. Number 1 horse. Yogi Bear's coming on. Yogi Bear. Here comes Tony. Is Tony still here? Here comes Tony. Tony, my man. Tony's new too, guys. Tony's new. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Where's Tony at? Tony here? There he is. Where are you? What state are you in, Tony? Are you in the U.S.? Fish back from the store and I missed the race. Ah, you missed, Fish, just barely. Just barely. You didn't miss any trades.
We're all trying to win.
Tony's in Virginia, but he said if there's any vets in here in the U.S., he'll donate it to you. Otherwise, we're going to send it to Tony for being awesome. I'm going to say we're going to have to send it to you, Tony, because somebody's probably going to pop in and just say they are. So Tony, Fish lives his ex-law enforcement count. All right, Tony, what do you want? We got the gray and white right there. We got the black and gray. And we got the brown and tan. Which one you want, Tony? I'm going to send you one anyway, no matter what. Tony, brown and tan. Are you in the Discord, Tony? Have you signed up yet for the Discord? Akash needs to put his horse down. Oh, I hear you. I hear you. I have Discord kind of new to it though, so we can do it either way. The link to our Discord is pinned at the top right there where it says the Tradie Cowboy and it says join the Discord. If you want to click on that and join it, then I can get you, I can message you through there. That would be the best way because then I would know it's actually you. Otherwise, I can get you my email and you can email me your info. If you want to email me though, I can type my email in the chat. Thanks for being a part of the race though, guys. Too much fun. The Ripper got close. I mean, if you join the Discord, guys, it's totally free, so that'll get you in there anyway. It's free for now, guys. It's free for now. We got some cool stuff in there. We got a lot of cool people in the chat. If you're new today, you'll get to meet some of those people tomorrow because a lot of them aren't playing. And Fish, since Tony was offering to give away a hat and you were a first responder, we'll get you a hat too. We've got the black and we've got the gray and black or the gray and white. Which one you want? We're gonna send him 1 for 2 for offering it up, the black and gray. All right, so if y'all will message me in the Discord, I'll get y'all's mailing address for those, and I'll get them out this week. Missed my chance here as well. Yeah, gosh, man, I don't know. All right, Tony, I see you in here. Perfect. Tony, put your name in there for me too, if you can. That way I can put it on the postage. Send me your name in there too. Just in case you have to pick it up from the post office or something. Perfect. Perfect. You got me a DM too. I got you, brother. I got you. All right, Rock. Let's figure out how to, I don't know how you want to do that. Can I send it somewhere for your brother to get, or you tell me how you want me to do that and I'll get it sent this week too? Neural, you missed the entry just barely, bro. We did it from 10:30 to 11, and then we did the race after that. And good news, I know you're still here too. You need to get me your, you're gonna have to send me yours. Yeah, Rock, when you get it, let me know. Don't let me forget though, okay? Don't let me forget. I got y'all in the Discord.
Dust on my boots, phone in my hand, watching them odds like lines in the sand. Got charts on the
Not letting message go through.
Still stuck in my head. It's the trading.
That's a good question. Let me see here.
Who's gonna win? Got a ticket in my pocket, got a wild little grin. Hedge that heart, or let it all ride again in the trading cowboy derby. Who's gonna win?
That's interesting. Hold on, let me see. I tried to send you one too.
Spreadsheet scribbles on a bar stool, bond smoke bourbon, blinking it's gone. Every long shot whisper feels dead on. It's the trading cowboy derby. Who's gonna win? Got a ticket in my pocket, got a wild little grin. Hedge that heart, or let it all ride again in the trading cowboy.
I don't know, Fish. The only thing it kind of says is, I mean, I don't know. We share a server, so that's not a problem. We haven't disabled direct messages, unless yours is disabled. Says you have not requested the required membership screening. I don't know if that's a problem. Only accept direct messages from friends. I guess that could be it. But I just got one from 2 new people. You were blocked by the DM receipt. This error may be finding you out. I don't know. Let's do it this way. Okay, Fish, I think it's on your end because when I tried to request you, it says that you're not accepting friends. So if you add me, then I think it'll work. What a fun giveaway, though, guys. What a fun giveaway. Jose, the biggest, the largest. Jose, you almost won the last one, Jose. You almost won, bro. It was crazy. Kind of getting that push up now. Nice push over the 50. We kind of forgot about that for a while, I think, guys. And guys, if anybody wants to purchase any of those hats or any of the snapback cowboy hats online, let me know. I can send you pictures of them. I'll try to get them on our website. I've been saying that for like a month now, but there is some other cool stuff on our site right there. If anybody wants any t-shirts or anything, let me show you all those real quick while we have some people here. We have some pretty dope 20-ounce tumblers with the TC logo on it. Those are pretty sick. If anybody's a golfer, we got some crazy cool golfing towels. It's got the little golden hook on it for your bag. It's got the TC logo. It says riding the greens. It's the Trading Cowboy Golf. Ready to party. Nice little towel for your golf bag. Looks like a golf ball. We got some super sick shirts, the TC shirts. Got the Trading Cowboy on the back. I know that's probably backwards for y'all, but we got several colors of those. 021348. How do we get the medallion? The little coins? Is that what you're asking about? I will have some more of those. We had to redo some of them. I wasn't happy with them. I should have them in the next week or so. And I think they're better than what's on the screen even. So stick around. As soon as I get those, I'll put them on the website, and then we'll give a few away here and there. I'm super pumped about those. I don't know if let me see if I can find a picture real quick. If y'all got time, we still got 25 minutes for market close. We're getting that nice steady push up. Let me see if I can find it though. I'll show you all the new ones. Yeah. We should have these anytime, but I wish I knew your name. 021348. This is what they're going to look like, though. They're super sick. Steve. All right. I'm going to try to remember that, Steve. They're super cool. They should be here, though. They should have been here last week, so I'm hoping they'll be here this week. So yeah, Steve, stick around. Here's one of our, we have two sizes of mouse pads. This is the smallest one, but it's 18 by 18. These things are huge. Super good quality. We sent out like 30 of these when we first got them to new members. But I mean, look, guys, they're the size of me. They're like 17 by 18. If y'all need a good heavy-duty mouse pad, they're real thick. They're not the cheap ones. You can get those off of there. We got some super sick coffee cups. The Trading Cowboy. The back of it, Let's Ride. You can get those in red and black. You can get them in I think 11 ounce and 15 ounce. Something like that. What else we got, chat? We got some nice lightweight pullovers that just have the TC logo on the front. All y'all men out there too, we got some pretty cool barbecue and aprons you can wear that's got the Trading Cowboy logo on it. So tell your wives, tell your girlfriends that's what you want. And guys, we do this here every day, 15 minutes before market opens. Thanks so much for being here. Thanks for supporting the channel. Remember, guys, we haven't made a dime off of anything we do here. We're just slowly building the channel. I say slowly. We're crushing it, actually, guys. But
Sun comes up on the tick-tock road. Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor. Zero dawn nodding and that busted old hat says, boy, this opens what we came here for. Trading Cowboy laughs ain't my first.
I got it, Fish. See if you got mine.
Gronky tone man's humming low at the bar.
But yeah, Steve, stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have those pretty soon.
Guitar guy yourself picks a deal in tune while Charles drives charts like a dusty old car. We're a trader riding NASDAQ together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that all.
Guitar guy, I didn't do so good today, but at least I'm green. So guitar guy, you said you were gonna stop at negative 100 and what was it? $38? And then you got real quiet, you stepped into the dark, and you got back green. Good news, see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks, buddy. Hey, be sure you send me your address, okay? Good news. Send me your info through Discord. Feels good to see channel grow at such a good rate. Feels my own channel. Akash, this is our channel, Akash. Good news. Maybe make sure you throw your name in there too, so I can put it on the deal, just in case you have to pick it up through customs or something. I sent a mouse pad over to Jonesy. Good news. Over there, and it got to him. It actually, I mean, it got to him faster than some of the other stuff. But sweet. Yeah, Akash. And Akash was one of our first ones, probably, what was I, maybe a month into streaming, maybe. Make sure you smash that like button for the channel, guys. We gave away all our money that we made today. We gave it all back. Thanks for being here. Thanks for joining the channel. What an honor. Yeah, Fish, for real. OD money, what up, Cowboy? What's up, bro? What is up, bro? How'd your day go? Did you get some trades in today? Guys, remember, we do this every day, 15 minutes before market opens. Don't be shy. Come on here and trade with us. All right, sweet. OD Money's in the chat, giving you all your permissions in the Discord. Big shout to him. No trades today. How have you done? I lost big on the first trade. Not really big, but we had a great push up. This fresh funded, I'm up 403 on it. And then this one over here, I got in the hole on it too. I think I lost about 170. Then we got back up. We're up 91 on the day. So we're green on the day. And we gave away, I don't know what did we give away? 3 or 4 hats, 5 hats. Gonna have to do a little work. Getting that push up to the 200 now. Yeah, you did miss the giveaways, man. We gave away a bunch of stuff today. If you're new to the stream too, guys, so tomorrow at some point, we do it totally random, so you got to be here to see, but at some point we'll request another giveaway. It'll be just for an entry. So the winner tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, will be the winner of that will just be entered into our final giveaway that we do on the 29th. So stay tuned. You'll get used to how we run some of this right now. The bigger we get, the more giveaways we do too. So you got to remember that. You got to remember all the money right now comes out of my pocket. Just trying to grow the channel. Trying to help everybody. Guitar guy lost 138 today, now back positive 2244. What a good day. M. Harmon, green is good. Good way to end the day. Good way to keep your yard. That's right. Yeah. You always need to keep your account green and your yard green. Amen. What is anybody doing? Is anybody in a trade right now? Has anybody taken a trade? Doing some grilling and pool time. Hot here, sunny southwest. Man, I tell you what, it was super nice yesterday. It got a little windy at night, but he's out now. D-Money, how many views today? Bro, we are at 566 views right now. We've got over 50 people watching concurrent. Thanks for everybody being here. Sorry some of y'all missed the giveaways. Smash that like button for us. Give us a howdy in the chat if you're new. Don't forget our Discord is pinned at the top for you.
Coffee gone cold on a dead slam glow. Boots on the floor, but I don't leave home.
Very little teeny push here, yeah. Just enough to get me tried it, kind of interested, and then neural market close in 10 minutes. You're right, buddy. You're right. We'll be off here in a little after 10 minutes. Guitar guy, I'm not in a trade. I'm not getting myself in a pickle again. That's fine, guitar guy. As long as you can promise me that in 5 minutes when you jump in one silently, you tell me that you got in one. Yeah, smart guitar guy, Fish says. Guys, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the tack room. Thanks for being here. Getting a nice push up now off the 200, kind of up and out of it. Kind of unexpected. Right in the panhandle, Steve. Right in the panhandle. Rock, thank you, man, for such a great stream and awesome giveaway. Yeah, hey, no problem. Thanks for being here. Get that figured out, and I'll get it shipped to your brother for sure.
Maybe it's skill. Maybe it's just stubborn will. But I'll be here till the closing bell starts. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ. Riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my play.
Make sure y'all stick around too. I mean, even tomorrow, anything like that. I mean, we're constantly having, you know, maybe we'll have some good trades tomorrow. Who knows? Maybe we'll blow up some accounts. You never know. We'll do it here together. We'll do it live. We'll do it live, chat. So yeah, it is pretty hot here too. It's only 76 right now. We had a cold front come in a couple days ago, but we were a little over 90 yesterday. We're expected to be 85 today. So go home in a little bit, clean off the back porch, maybe get some sun, chill out on the back porch a little bit, make a little content, get the grill going. Yesterday we had some shrimp tacos that we smoked on the grill, so we'll probably do that again. Have another batch. Nine minutes to closing. I'd love to try to take a little short right here, but it would be a YOLO short into close. Coming over, when does it start? As soon as I leave here. As soon as I leave here. Thanks for everybody being here, though, man. Welcome to the tack room. Don't forget to join our Discord pinned at the top. I know I sound like a broken record right now. We're super appreciative to have each and every one of y'all. A little over 105 Fahrenheit here at my place. Gosh, that's hot, bro. Steve, thanks for the stream. Have a great rest of the day. Hope to be back tomorrow. Yeah, just join in. I mean, we're here 15 minutes before market opens. And I mean, here lately, you know, I mean, honestly, just trying to get people to join in and see what we do here. We're here all day, so. Gosh, I hope you have the air conditioner going.
Photo flash, flag drops down. Did I break out? Did I hold that ground? He tips his brim, says, kid, you're set. You bet the run, and the run paid the bet. Racing the
965 POC.
hearts on the line, money on the check. Dust in our teeth, numbers in our eyes. First to that rail takes a trade and Cowboys prize. Yeah, racing the futures, holding tight, bidding on daylight, riding through the night. Win by nose or a wild long
Yeah, see, if we didn't have, yeah, see, look at that.
Cowboys prize.
Totally called that short out. That's a little wicky. I wouldn't expect to deal that much, but if this had been a regular trading day right here, we would have took that short right there. Now maybe it can push up to the 965. Guitar guy, there she goes. Guitar guy, she's going to go everywhere without you for the next 5 minutes. We're not getting in a trade, remember? We're not doing it, guitar guy.
Yeah, the Cowboys are long. Yeah. Sun's going down on the candles I rolled. Chalk still burning from the paths I chose. Some green rum, some lessons paid. Every tick wrote the moves I made. Had a run of that flu, had one that slipped. Got a little too heavy, had it one too quick. But I ain't done, I'm still in
950 push. Yeah, I think you can do it now.
Take a breath tonight.
As long as this isn't going to be a bear flag.
Don't care who you are.
Gosh, yes, the air conditioner's on, but the body becomes adaptable to this conditions. Also, we live off without ACs as well. I get it. I get it. I mean, I know our bodies get accustomed to that for sure. Guitar guy, yes, I'm staying out and not getting chopped up again. Yeah, guys, you find yourself doing that so many times where you're going to just take a little trade, get a trade in. You jump in with no real authority over what you're doing. And then before you know it, you're adding into it, just trying to get back.
Funded accounts and evils in place. Some hit targets, some slipped away. Took that
Nice push right there, fish, right all the way up through the 50s.
and paid too much. Felt that
See if it can clear this 58 area.
trying to force trades just to hit that goal. But I see it now, gotta slow that pace. Discipline's the edge in this race I chase. Ain't about swinging at every pitch. It's the ones you wait for that make you rich. Patience paid is the strongest hand. Not every move's meant to land. This is the Cowboys.
Yeah, is it going to be a nice little bear flag? Man, I don't like how it rejected right there.
Count the wins, but respect
I think it's got some push in it. Guys, 3.5 minutes left. Choose your battles.
becoming the trader you said you'd be. Stay the course, don't chase the flame. Consistency's the name of the game. Yeah, slow it down, lock it in. Discipline over trying to win. Not every day's a payout ride, but every day's a step inside.
Again, guys, thanks for smashing that like button.
Brick by
Truly grateful each one of y'all are here.
not by love.
Always pop in the chat. We always want to know how you trade, what you trade like, what your scenarios are, what your strat is. Y'all come back tomorrow and join us. You'll be able to see everybody else in the chat. It's our regulars, it's our OGs, some of our moderators. You'll get to test some of Fish's strats that we have. You're not going to want to miss it. Akash says, and then we think this trade was not my plan, so we just get out by adding more and get back in positive without take. Yeah, I mean, it happens all the time, Akash, right? I mean, I think that's what you'll see. As soon as I get off here, I'm going to put out another video that I did yesterday, but you'll get to see it, right? I mean, it just comes out to, you know, like, what if we just follow through with what, you know, with what we do, you know, with, if we just follow through with everything we did, you know, if you had done everything you told yourself you were going to do when you traded, right? Where would you be, right? It's just because we lied to ourselves, right? I mean, if we had a guy every day that came into work and said, I'll be here on time, and then 3 days in a row he was late, eventually you're going to say, I don't believe that guy, right? But yet when we trade, we say, hey, we're only going to, you know, abide by this stop. And we tell ourselves that more than 3 times. We continue to tell ourselves, and we still believe ourselves, right? But if it was somebody else in a different scenario, we'd say, man, that guy's a liar. Sometimes we just got to accept, you know what? Where would we be if we followed our own rules? I know we'd be a different trader. Beautiful push up right there, Fish. 40 seconds to close, guys. Be careful. Make sure you're out of your trade. Make sure you hit that exit, cancel all button. There's the POC, Fish. Right to the money. Right to the money, chat. Yep, 1100s a day, TP hit. Nice job, Fish. Heck yeah. And there's close. She's froze. She's out of there, guys. Thanks for being here, everybody. Thanks for hanging out with us. What a blast. Yeah, we'll catch y'all tomorrow for sure. Thanks for being here. Thanks for joining the TAC room. If you're not a member, click that subscribe button. Click that bell so you get the notifications. Congratulations to everybody that won today. We'll get your stuff out this week. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get it all packaged up. We'll be here again tomorrow, 15 minutes before market opens. Be here. And remember, guys, once again, I mean, I said it all the time over and over, but just, you know, thanks to all the brave men and women that gave everything they had for our freedom. You know, you don't go unnoticed. We'll never forget your sacrifice and courage, you know, that you made. So, thank you. We do appreciate you. We know that freedom is not free. So everybody just take a moment to remember all those heroes that didn't make it home, right? Their loved ones. So hats off to y'all. Thanks, guys. Remember, the Trading Cowboy loves you no matter what you do. There's nothing you can do to change it. Be real. We'll see y'all tomorrow. And remember, guys, no matter where you go, there you are. Giddy up.
We came on in with the dawn, bullpen buzzing, coffee gone. Charge for dancing on the screen. You and me in a little green. Now the sun is dropping low. Time to wrap this rodeo. If you had a good ride tonight, hold that smile and hold on tight. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right. We chase them numbers side by side, horseshoe look and a steady guide. If the market kicked and spun, you stayed through every mile we run. Now the barn doors close slow, but we'll be back, you know. The same hat, same grin, same show. Next time we'll let it roll. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right. Tip your hat at the screen, keep that good luck in between. When the next trail opens wide, we'll be back on the other side. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right. Right on, right on. We'll see you down the line. We came on in with the dawn, bullpen buzzing, coffee gone. Charge for dancing on the screen, you and me in a little green. Now the sun is dropping low, time to wrap this rodeo. If you had a good ride tonight, hold that smile and hold on tight. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right. We chase them numbers side by side, horseshoe look and a steady guide. If the market kicked and spun, you stayed through every mile we run. Now the barn doors close slow, but we'll be back, you know. The same hat, same grin, same show. Next time we'll let it roll. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right.